Kondak pacer kwene Kampala kama ne chawa iwini Yat Agwera pitu Jonyo kumbetitie campaign me konyo kit me mwenye yat patu Jonyo ame kama ne video ini kawadugi Aboro Africa gitekam yobman dogena yeti Uganda, Kenya, Mozambique, Nigeria, South Africa, Tanzania, Zambia kidong Zimbabwe. Project Memoira Bichi Dulma Obitero we aye Dulma South African Medical Research Council Magobutelo nene project manotiyo mabe menongo Yat Agwera matiyo matek mejue konya pato Jonyo kidong bene jokonea matwal e Africa. Ke Uganda, Jomarika telewi yubman ayelo Kwed padon ete Dulme Joint Clinical Research Center, kidong Makerere University Walter Reed Project, magitie ka telewi yubman e Uganda. Dr. Sisi Chitio ayeti Executive Director me Dulme Joint Clinical Research Center.
So this is a partnership and we are looking forward to contributing to science in the world. However, we have to recognize this is not a small task. Everyone across the world has been looking for HIV prevention vaccines for a long time, and we do not have an effective vaccine now. Now it is up to us as African scientists to find a solution for an African problem. And we will be working very hard. This project is a 5-year project, but we expect to have vaccine products.
Dulma USAID ayego miyo lim $1 million beach medoro yupman. Dr. Betty Mwesigati la Konko, Executive Director Makerere University Walter Reed Project.
As Ugandans, we should be very proud because the consortium has many countries, but Uganda is the only country where 2 institutions have been found strong enough to be part of the same consortium. And we are so proud to be working more closely together as 2 great research institutions in Uganda. I also echo her words to thank the US government for the effort in ensuring that African scientists can take center stage in the fight against HIV, especially in this work of trying to develop an HIV vaccine. It's important for everyone to note that this grant is going to help African scientists to design and develop a vaccine, with their own scientific minds.
Malupe kilok pa lutit megankal mayotkom neno man konyo Kwed eno bukonyo mekelo gen manyen mejwayo to Jonyo ki Africa.
HIV has been with us for quite some time, and we know it's one of the most dangerous diseases we have around, which continues to grow. And for a long time we have had no cure, but getting money to develop a vaccine to prevent this disease is very, very, very important.
Pero madit loy mito Jonyo e Africa ti sub-Saharan Africa kama Uganda beneti yenim. Dr. Charles Olaro ayotero Lokman Matut.
In 2016, Uganda alone had over 52,000 new cases. So you can look at that. That translates almost 1,000 cases per week. Though the rates have come down, but you can see that that's really the numbers, because if you don't turn off the tap, then you cannot think of ending HIV by 2030. So an effective vaccine, prevention vaccine, will definitely reduce the number of people who acquire HIV, but also will reduce the number of people who can transmit HIV.
Neno pawilobo tie me jokonya patuo Jonyo kena ubene joa eneo lo iwilobo me o emwaga alibari kipiara dek dok nen obonyago nyige. Pelogange mochin iwan luo television ania Sunday akumo. avoid 12 minute report and matika kati any report ma ubuyomo idana madwong part lwenye kumtuo jona ni chwa waji kanye chiana ini no don kati USAID iti pokone ki Joint Clinical Research Center Karachelo K Makerere University Walter Reed Project lo kum tuo lwenye kumtuo tuo Jonyo waji kanye ni chiana kiti kati ki project menongo Ludiro mai tuche kera tuja so vaccines kingo any bere way kita reporter wasande waji kere ni by 2030 romanya kunyige melo rigemo HIV from Africa.
Project any me achelo bino ikarma Uganda tika lweny matek menane ki juero pero mabino ki tuo matikin dano. Daktari pat magologo ni gologo pe pero patuo kirmatika nya kwede kirma dano petika gwake kwede ento nerbeni Uganda o karo ki Larubi me wajo ni nero kit magen ki karo ki dir ma megi mikelo ni chang ikom tuo man perete kumbeti genma dano nero cha gena perete ayini kakiti wae ki merti ko pero me tuo man ki betiro kini dano magati monyo yat gi waye ni sustainability neta onyo monyo ne chengi ni keno kane mwini wi willo de kono pa chamo kono ngo potime ento tamo bien kwa ni pingo pike kel vaccination no ke gwer me dana gwer in ber manon kumino ngo komitio madong pe yelo nyo pe bedo ka monyo yat chawa wen onyo ke kel yat ma ke tuji mere ke chiel inge dua de manyoto inge mwa chiel tuche wan ke de ken no nya tini kakete quarter system no romanero ke matikwere but permatia yani eni fotie tam ikinji pat PM scientist to ai lobo boro mi Africa go biro kara chel kan kato wi kara chel kaneno kiet ma program eni romanya ko kinyige yom ejbe beru tie ma dit ka gen ko kara ki lasting solution gen ma romo konyo tiako pero mi tuo
la tamatia ni by the time I got to get any no getting thorough research and trials. When we are poor COVID-19, beka watching a team research or your kichwala waka your so down mechanic go be gong twin ne research pia utum to 12. And a matter bedo lock beka winye campaign and to chawati food meeting thorough research come Yat Agwera me to join and by the time I got to get it, kikati mano down went to ye ni gini kitem research ma is conclusive.
And the fact ni berotika ki lobo aboro when it's not a one man's or a one country's affair ni aki Uganda na kwe kid me waje kwe ni clinical trials romota romari adek ema so it's not mabene kino karo chi bwano tiki gani eni bira makonya tiako permatie kono gwagdo ke munye ki waje ni na papadana matika nongo tuo tila mal ema ate tiki lega ne charo ngoma timme kadano charo karwate la cho ki dao chego gwake makun gitiyo ki rojbol do they like it, do they hate it gilor teach kwere because they are more comfortable ni mirgi nongo tuo atamane we should not expose ourselves to such kind of condition
kula kara exposure ena bena no ngarmo ting be makakaya dana malwor tuo duong ma pat
no ena te wachne ni jomatika kitme wayo gani jomatika time kakane ngot ma ini ngeni tiki tuo pe bet chalo chatan me miyo yat idano nye miyo tuo idano on a deliberate note ni ngot ma tika mire tuo ni romo beru ku meru dire romo beru kila meru and you don't know where this thing ends
kibena kitme po dano ko me ki wachne o Yat Agwera tika bino o yat me tuo donya tika bino ki chak berata dano furum biro mete ki gwake logme ABC ni food mire kiti kere we po ABC buti ada abstinence ka food pay ready being faithful keti dago nyo chwari ki use a condom
ana way dana way many gana chili ka food no to jonyo food bita and you're going to die a painful death mano gonna pay your pay while dana way bero bota and eat talk ni is the question
ada dai la pen ma way dwa ko botu ko no kong wa yue mana kada kwa duga me te kilok me biachara ki me